My name is Rishi Singh. I studied MBA in International Business and graduated in the year 2014. So I manage a sustainability consultancy. It's known as World of Gears. Our role is actually to build sustainable supply chains. So we work with British companies and their suppliers who are based across the world, especially in India, which are sourcing from factories and farms. So we enable better working conditions, better environment, gender equality, and making sure that businesses grow along with the people and planet. The first time I came across University of Birmingham was when I had just done my first degree in engineering. At that time I wanted to study here, but I didn't have the money and I had other family responsibilities that I could not come. And I always knew University of Birmingham is quite high ranking. It's a great place to be in. And since I've had family living in Birmingham, I've also heard a lot of good things from them about the life in Birmingham, the university itself. And my sister-in-law did public health from here, so I had very good feedback already. I was lucky in one way that I got to know the university even before I came here. But the business school was highly acclaimed, is what I even read online. And so my choice was very clear that I'm going to study MBA at the University of Birmingham. So the academic course, the materials, the teaching style, all were transformative for me. They were very impactful. And I was really impressed by the way the lectures are done in the classroom. The teaching styles of the professors was very critical in the way they think. There was also aspects about networking, so I networked a lot here in the university. University has a lot of seminars. University also helps us to go to other conferences which are happening. My background is in sustainability, so the university was a perfect place to learn about sustainability and meet some of the industry leaders who come and give guest lectures here. So that was really wonderful. I think from my lived experience, I would say one very important point is not to miss the induction week, which happens during the start of term. You know why? Because it is a great platform to start your education at University of Birmingham. You'll make a lot of new friends, you'll meet the professors, and you'll also have some group activities which will help in developing the team spirit we need to study at University of Birmingham. So be there on time. I think it's been a fantastic experience, and Birmingham still remains one of my favorite places on the planet. The richness of culture which is there in Birmingham, especially from people coming from South Asia, from my country, India, it's phenomenal. And places to eat and places to worship makes Birmingham a great place to be in.